Using WIC at Walmart online is a convenient option for participants in the Women, Infants, and Children program to purchase eligible food items to get started. You need to have a WIC account and a Walmart online account. First, create a Walmart online account if you do not already have one, and make sure your WIC account is up to date. When shopping on Walmart's website, look for the WIC logo next to eligible items, indicating that they can be purchased with WIC benefits. Add the desired items to your cart and proceed to checkout. At checkout, select the payment method as WIC and enter your WIC account information. Walmart accepts WIC online in most states, but it is essential to check if your state participates in the WIC online program. You can do this by visiting the Walmart website or contacting your local WIC office. Additionally, not all WIC eligible items are available for online purchase, so it is crucial to verify the availability of the items you need. To pay with WIC at Walmart online, you will need to use the eWIC card, which is the electronic version of the WIC card. If you do not have an eWIC card, you can contact your local WIC office to obtain one. When using the eWIC card, make sure to have your card information and PIN ready. When your order is ready, you can choose to have it shipped to your home or made available for pickup at your local Walmart store. If you choose to pick up your order, you will need to bring your WIC card and a valid form of identification to the store. It is essential to note that WIC benefits can only be used to purchase eligible items, and any non-eligible items in your cart will need to be paid for separately. By following these steps, you can easily use your WIC benefits to purchase eligible items online at Walmart, making it more convenient to shop for the items you need.